Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So I wanted to do this quick unboxing. You guys know we love jumping spiders, and we have several babies here and adults. So I follow a lot of the groups on Facebook. Well, one of the groups, SPOODCRAFT, and I'll put the link down below for their website, they had a contest and I won. So they sent me my baby that I won, and I bought another one, and we're gonna see what they're like. Let's unbox. Oh, I love the foam. Oh, is that the heat pack? Is it still warm? Nice. Look how nice they packed it. Oh my goodness. Paper for me to use in art. Oh, I can see the babies. Alright, that underneath, what's he say? That is
Big.
Big. We'll just name him Big. 1-9. I guess he was born. Oh, how cute. Okay. Maybe take it back a little bit. Pull it back down a little bit. Yeah. So it gets clear. Yep. Oh, the baby. We're going to put them, make them new homes and put them in. What's it say on the bottom of that one?
11, 10, 122. I guess those are the molts. 12.
122. So he just, they just
He's got 3 molts.
Okay. Very cute. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to put them in their original homes because it makes it so much more fun to see them. And
This is the bigger one. That's 127, female.
all right, that's the one yeah. Does it say, no, it's crooked. Okay, she's in her web. She may be getting ready to molt again, so I probably won't bother her. I'll have to really look and see. Is she in it?
No, she died in it.
Oh, okay, she just built it. Okay. Oh, when she comes out. That's very exciting. So, that's what I won from them. They're a great company. And I love the way they packed it.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Did a really, really good job. And I'm very pleasantly surprised, happy. And again, SPOODCRAFT. They're fantastic. And everybody that I've dealt with so far as jumping spiders has been pretty awesome. So, you know, if you want to know more, I will, you know, just I'll gladly answer any questions that you have. I'm very excited. I just don't know what else to say. And I'm going to put it, you know, I'm going to do video when I do my babies again. I have a lot of babies here. Can you see? I'm just seeing if you can see. Can you take the tape off and put it on the top? Good, you can open it. You're not going to hurt her. Maybe that'll be a better way. Just watch she doesn't run everywhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's so pretty. Just watch. There she is. Can you hold? Look at her. They are beautiful creatures, and they adapt very well. These are all not inbred, but these are all, how do you say it? They're not wild, caught in the wild. They're all bred and that kind of thing in house. So, you know, they're not getting taken from the wild. Did you see her jump? Oh, I gotta think of a good name. Name suggestions, throw them down below for my female here. Oh, she's a nice one. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Thrilled to death. Very happy. Gonna give you a good home there, sis. Oh, she's like, I want out. I want to stay out and play. Let's see, will she jump? Oh, how sweet she is. Look, she's like, I don't want to stay in here. Look, she's trying. She's like, Uppy's dope. She does not want to stay in. All right, hush, guys. Sorry, my animals. She's just adorable. I wanted to open the other ones and see. She's not having it. She's like, I want to play.
Huh?
She okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, their little faces. Can you put that up there so they can see the face?
I don't know if they can see that face.
No, tilt it. Like, tilt it, tilt it. Yeah. Oh. Now look, they have a web that they have. So when they fall like that, they have a web that like slows it down and catches them so they don't get hurt. Alright, so she's so friendly. And that really goes to show you where you buy them from, that they spend time with them.
She wants out.
Yeah, she does want out. Alright guys, do you want to open another one?
Mm-mm. Not right now.
We're going to wait. We'll wait till we home. Maybe we'll record when we do the homes and put them in. I'm going to get Dave to adjust the lights. I might have to turn the big light off. But anyway, love you guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll be back later on. I'm going to do some art today. Let's hope. We're praying for it. I just need some art. But as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And let me know. Give me names down below for a male and a female. And yeah, and then we'll pick a name. All right, guys. Bye. Love you.